Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix texture packs not working in your Minecraft. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So in the Minecraft game, you can easily fix the texture packs not showing up. So in the first method, you have to open the texture pack which is not showing in the game. So if it contains another folder, just drag it to the resource pack folder inside that folder, and in this way you can show the resource pack in your game. So just like that. And if this method doesn't work, just go for the second one. So which is you will need to open the texture pack and that is not showing in the game. So if it has three folders, then you have to create a new folder in the resource pack and then drag all the three files into the new folder. And if you want to create a resource pack folder, you will need to open Minecraft and then head to the options and then go to the resource pack. So right here I shown the picture, and after that you go to the open resource pack. So right here, click that, and then as you click the option, the resource pack folder will open up. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.